All right, Rob Frazier here. In this video, I wanted to basically just drop an update as far as what I am doing, what I'm focusing now. As far as affiliate marketing goes, haven't been recording videos because I've been, with the laptop I have, for some reason, my laptop and Camtasia is like oil and water. I've been wrestling around with it, re-downloading it, deleting it, and doing a bunch of stuff. But I just figure, I've let this thing go on long enough. Got a lot of other things in the background going as well, going to school full-time, also or using the GI Bill to go back to school, homeschooling the kiddo, still live on a ranch with about 13, 14 animals, and so just basically really busy, let my YouTube slide, and so this is just me getting back into my video recording. I have always done affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has taught me marketing, has also taught me how to market my offline business. I'm doing a handyman business, offline 100%. And affiliate marketing has really helped me in that area. But part of my whole overall goal and vision is actually to start helping folks climb their way out of different holes that they may have climbed or fell into. In my case, got out of the Marine Corps after 12 years, or basically joined the Marine Corps young, broke, and single, got married, had 4 kids, left the Marine Corps older, broke, and single. Affiliate marketing, found a level of success in affiliate marketing, kind of came back down the ladder, if you will. Affiliate marketing has not been successful as I once was, and am now, quote-unquote, going through my complete cycle, as Russell Brunson likes to call it. So I say all that because I want to really start helping folks. A lot of this game is mental. And at first I didn't believe it. Oh yeah, personal development, blah, blah, work on yourself, blah, blah, blah. Just tell me how to make money. But it is such a mind game because we're so used to working for 1 or 2 weeks or maybe and then getting paid. In the Marine Corps, I got paid on the 1st and the 15th, whether I did a whole lot of work or not. Coming out into affiliate marketing, it's a little bit different. So, I don't mean to go down that rabbit hole of my story, but if you just came across, this is who you're listening to right now. So, basically, I kind of revamped everything I was doing, and this plan that I'm going down in this video, I planned in the past and I've had lots of success. The problem is the programs weren't very solid. However, been beat up, made a lot of money, didn't make a lot of money, ups and downs, mental thing, found a super solid, successful system. Infinity Traffic Boost, this program is years old, has a sustainable plan. You can join it for free. That's the first part. Underneath this video, I think I have either a link here or a link to my capture page. You might have to opt in. Infinity Traffic Boost, you join free. Leadsleap, you can also join for free. That's how you get of these pages. And when I upload my videos, you're going to be able to use my videos as well. Infinity Leadsleap. And basically, not to get too into the weeds, it's just simply a matter of pointing Infinity Boost to Leadsleap and then pointing Leadsleap back to Infinity Traffic Boost. These are both, I don't want to just call them traffic exchanges because they're a lot more than that. But basically, you can join both of these programs for free. On Leadsleap, you promote Infinity Traffic Boost, and then on Infinity Traffic Boost, you promote Leadsleap. So you kind of point these two programs back to each other, and you'll start earning a little tiny bit of Bitcoin on both sites. Actually, you won't earn Bitcoin on Leadsleap. You can cash out your earnings, and you have the option to cash it out in Bitcoin. And I highly suggest doing that. And basically, what it is on Infinity Traffic Boost, you can promote any business you want. However, I highly suggest promoting Leadsleap, promoting a capture page so you can build your email list. You build your email list, that's how you make money. That's what has sustained me over the years, having an email list. When a program craps to bed, I can email my list, hey, this is the new plan, and people follow me into the new program. And the whole point of this is to not have to do that anymore. I don't have a crystal ball, but the programs I am laying out here in this intro are solid. They've been around for years. None of these programs is like, oh, just join you. Oh, just hit the internet last night. No. Infinity Traffic Boost, I think it's 5, 6 years now. Leadsleap, since, I don't know, 2000, 10, 11. On down here, these are optional steps. However, these are my back-end programs I'm promoting. Get 30 to 50 leads per day. You'll get a training from Frank Calabro. He's the guy who taught me a certain part of lead gen. And you basically down here, you'll get access to that information, get more daily passive Bitcoin. This is, you get a free boot camp where you'll learn how to trade Bitcoin. So the whole idea is to start generating a little bit of Bitcoin, point leads to infinity traffic boost, and get a little wheel going, just like my broke man's plan. I started years ago. I'm still following the same plan now, just some of the programs have changed. And also, let me just say, all of the programs are free or really, really cheap to join, with the exception of my last back-end business, because you need something solid to teach you marketing and will put you in a position to earn bigger commissions. But you can get started in everything here, even the optional programs. You don't have to join the optional programs, but I highly suggest doing it. But moving on, get more daily passive Bitcoin is a free boot camp. You'll learn to trade one of the methods for free, so you don't have to worry about it. Infinity traffic boost free, leadsleap free. Obviously, they have optional levels to upgrade at, but you can get your foot in the door. 30 to 50 leads per day. You get access in that program, which is Power Lead System, been around for years, not going anywhere, for $1, free trial. Then you can join either at the $30 a month or the $54 a month. Optional. And in fact, I might actually change that out for leadsleap, or I'm sorry, Lead Lightning, because one time $7, you get lifetime access. You can earn $6 commission. So I might put that there. I don't know. Depending on where the link goes. And then lastly, also, still, all of these programs, 5+ years at least, they've all been online. And then lastly, I finally joined Taz V7. Been talking with the owner of the company. He's not going anywhere. Very strong leader. And you can create a free account. But the very first basic level is $100. So basically, you can get active with everything with me for $101. And then ongoing $30 a month for the Power Lead System. That will get you access to everything that I have. And doing that, we have a specific plan that I've been following. It's basically, it's just this same idea. You can join Infinity Traffic Boost. You promote leadsleap on Infinity Traffic Boost. You promote Infinity Traffic Boost on leadsleap. You do that back and forth. You earn a little bit of Bitcoin, and then you can start buying these. They're called TPOs. It's basically advertising credits on Infinity Traffic Boost. And I've been totally doing this from profits. That was the whole goal, is to have something that will get you a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Satoshi, whatever you want to call it, and then use that to upgrade, get more traffic, promote a program, get more traffic, start getting some signups, start building your email list, and it just keeps on going. And that's the same thing that I've been doing since day one. It's the same thing I'm doing now. I started making money in 2015, and here we are at the end, October 7, 2023. I'm still following the same plan. Programs come and go. It's just like if you get a flat tire. You don't just say screw it and push your car off a cliff. You jack up the tire, you take the old one off, you put a new one on, and you keep rolling down the road. And this is exactly what I've been doing. So that being said, Rob Frazier here, links are below. I'm going to start creating a lot more content, dropping it all over the place. I'm not going anywhere with this affiliate marketing, because this is what has helped me crawl myself out of a suicidal, drunk, just depressed place. And whoever may be listening to me, if that's you, hey, I got a plan. Reach out. Join me in these programs and let's work together. Name's Rob Frazier. Links will be in the description. We will see you in the next video.